how to make private servers in Blox Fruits in both PC and mobile. If you want to create private servers in Blox Fruits in both PC and mobile, the process is very simple. Here I will demonstrate it on my PC, but you can follow the similar steps on your mobile as well. So once you launch the Roblox app, just look for Blox Fruits. If not, you can use the search bar to find it. Just go to the Blox Fruits page, making sure carefully to not launch the game otherwise. Once done, you can see this friend-like icon there. Click on that icon and there you can see the option called Create Private Server. So make sure to click on it. When you click on Create Private Server, the current price for creating a private Blox Fruits server is 200 Robux per month. Now, this is actually monthly subscription, so you will get automatically recharged or charged again the next month after your current billing date ends. But don't worry, you can always cancel your private server subscription anytime that you want to. So depending upon once you're confirming it, click on the Create Private Server button and making sure that you have got sufficient Robux to pay for it. You will be able to go ahead and then create your server name, and then you'll be able to find them in your active service list. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.